Hi everyone, today I want to share my personal experience with Etsy, specifically the challenges I faced while trying to activate my shop. Spoiler alert, it was frustrating to say the least. If you have struggled with Etsy's ID verification process, you're not alone. Stick around as I unpack my story and let's see if Etsy is still worth the hype. So like many others, I wanted to start selling on Etsy thinking it would be a great platform for print-on-demand and other products. Everything seemed smooth until I hit the ID verification step. I uploaded my documents, valid ones by the way, the same ones I have used for banking and even YouTube verification recently. And guess what? Etsy rejected them. I tried again, thinking maybe it was a small error on my end, but no, same result. As you can see here, I opened the ticket and uploaded my ID documents. They claimed it should take about 72 hours, but the response came after 8 days of rejection. There was no reason, and trying a second attempt to verify lead to nowhere. At this point, I was frustrated, but I wasn't ready to give up just yet. I opened a second account with a different email. Strangely enough, the automated system accepted my documents this time. Success, right? Not that fast. After my first account was officially closed, Etsy decided to shut down my second account too, even though it had passed verification, right? This was a major blow. How are you supposed to trust a platform that behaves this way? While searching for answers, I came across a Reddit post where others talked about having the same issues. The common advice: contact an actual person at Etsy. It seems their automated verification systems, likely powered by AI, just isn't reliable. This got me thinking. If AI systems are rejecting valid IDs, how many sellers are being locked out unnecessarily? Experiences like mine erode trust in the platform. Etsy is supposed to empower small businesses, but instead it feels like jumping through hoops with no guarantee of success. It's not just us sellers feeling the impact. Etsy's stock performance has been disappointing lately. It's a sign of bigger issues within the company. Etsy's been a go-to platform for print-on-demand sellers, but I have to question whether it is still worth it. With experiences like mine, plus increasing competition and Etsy's own challenges, is Pod really a viable option right now? On the flip side, you have probably seen YouTubers claiming they're making 20K or more monthly from Etsy. Sure, those stories are inspiring, but how realistic are they for the average seller? Are these outliers the exception rather than the rule? I'm not saying success on Etsy is impossible, but I think it's important to take those claims with a grain of salt. In the end, my experience with Etsy has been more hassle than it was worth. Between the flawed verification process, wasted time, and lack of trust, I'm left wondering, is this really the best platform for small businesses right now? If you have similar experiences or tips for navigating Etsy system, let me know in the comments. And if you're considering starting a shop, I hope my story gives you some insights into what you might encounter.